This is one of the easiest ways to make chicken. We are making the Schnitzel, yeah? Don't fuck it up. Grab a couple of chicken thighs. You can use chicken breasts if you just want a dry piece of cardboard. Saran wrap on top. You're gonna grab one of these and you're gonna beat the shit out of your chicken until they look like this. Salt them on both sides. Onion powder. And that's it! You're gonna grab 3 different bowls. Whisked eggs, flour, and panko. What's panko? It's fucking fluffy Japanese breadcrumbs. You're gonna season all 3 of them with salt. Season the flour with a little bit of onion powder. You're gonna grab your German little friends into the flour, fucking eggs, and then into the panko. You're gonna press the chicken into the panko and apply pressure until it looks like this. Why do the Germans have such a bad rep? What do the Germans do? Just before you fry your chicken, you're gonna hit it with a little bit of parmesan. Press the parmesan into it. We're gonna shallow fry our chicken. The difference between a deep fry and a shallow fry is a deep fry is the fucking deep end and a shallow fry is the shallow end. So it doesn't cover the whole fucking chicken. Medium high heat. I'm using beef tallow, but you can use whatever type of fucking oil you want. Excuse me, do you sell your merchandise? It's the fucking link in my bio, man. As soon as your schnitzel comes out, you're gonna season it with a little bit of salt. Don't fucking talk, just fucking listen. And that's your fucking schnitzel. You can serve this with a lemon, rice, salad. As long as you don't serve it with ketchup, I don't give a fuck.